Meaning of donkey derby.
Donkey derby.
Donkey derby.
Donkey derby.
Donkey derby. Donkey derby is a term used to describe a type of amusement or fundraising event in which people race donkeys. These races can either be traditional horse-style races or obstacle courses. The term is often used in a humorous context, as the unpredictable and stubborn nature of donkeys can lead to chaotic and hilarious races. The result of a donkey derby can vary greatly depending on the skills of the jockeys and the temperament of the donkeys, but it is always sure to be an entertaining spectacle for spectators.